Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about the cost of a gutter cleaning, what you can expect to pay if you're looking to get your gutters cleaned. If you're not able to do a DIY on it yourself, you're obviously going to want to outsource this, and the cost. The cost is going to average depending on your home. The factors you're going to need to know: is it one story? Is it 2-story? Is there a walkout basement? 3 stories in the back? How easy are the gutters to access? Is the roof walkable? If the roof's not walkable, that means the ladder is going to have to be bounced all the way around. And when is the last time you cleaned your gutters? Has it been a while? Is there trees growing in your gutters? The gutter's really packed. Obviously, they're all factors that are going to weigh into the cost of a gutter cleaning. The average gutter cleaning, depending, and also what's going to really set the pricing is your area. I've noticed, where we're at in the eastern side, pricing's a lot different than different parts. Even on this part of the country, pricing varies dramatically. Pricing is going to be all over, but on average, the cost of a gutter cleaning usually runs around $85 plus to have it professionally completed. Usually the minimum from a professional gutter contractor is going to be right around $85. That's usually the minimum. Now, I have heard over the years where homeowners are getting it done for a lot cheaper, maybe a kid around the corner or a DIYer. I don't always recommend that because they're not carrying the right insurance. They don't have the right experience to complete the job professionally. You'd be better off getting it done by a professional and maybe getting yourself on a maintenance plan, like a spring and a fall. And if you want to know the exact times to clean your gutters, click right up above. I did create a video on the exact times to clean your gutters. And if you're even considering a gutter guard, click the link up above. I have a video about gutter guards. You might be surprised what you learn about them. So that's basically it, guys. Any questions on this, leave it down in the comments below. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks for joining me. Take care, guys.